There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2024 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop in night moves. With tow and go package, adaptive cruise control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO brakes with SRT performance pads, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D8003.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.